Okay guys, so this is Hitesh Tripathi and in this video we are going to see question D editorial extreme subtraction code forces round 681 division 2. So in this question we are having n positive integers, okay, and we can perform one operation such that we can select a value k between 1 to n and we can decrease 1 by subarray of length k from prefix or suffix. Okay, so decrement by 1 k of first element of the array or k of last elements of the array. So operations are given here. Decrement from the first two elements. Okay, so it will be something like this, 2 and 1, and decrement from first five elements, it will be something like this. Okay, so we have to tell that if it is possible to make all the elements of array equals to 0 or not. Okay, so here are some examples. So maybe some of you have thought like this. Okay, so now consider it like array of hills. Okay, where you have some elements like this, then second element is bigger than this element, that means it is bigger than, so second element is here. Okay, third element is again less than this, so let's say third element is here. Okay, and you have some elements like this. Okay, these are your elements. Okay, and what you can do is you can either subtract 1 from some prefix subarray, all the elements or obviously, or in any operation you can subtract 1 from suffix subarray, and you have to tell whether you can make all these hills to a flat surface or not. Okay, now what you can simply, first observation in this question is that जो तुम्हारे operations हैं, like firstly you are choosing this, like first operation is this, then your second operation is something like this. Okay, let's say we are supposing this, and then again your third operation is something like this. Okay, so one main observation is that order of these operations doesn't matter. Why? Because if you are doing, let's say you are doing operations in this manner, okay, then value which have to be decreased from, let's say from this element, will be right now 3. Okay, from this element let's say will be 2. जितनी वैल्यू तुम इस एलिमेंट से डिक्रीज करोगे, इधर सफिक्स और प्रीफिक्स जो भी एरे से डिक्रीज कर रहे हो, ओके, इससे क्या होगी 1. लेट्स से वी आर सपोजिंग, आप कह सकते हो कि 2 बार प्रीफिक्स में कर रहे हो तो इससे 2 बोल दो, ठीक है. नाउ and you are doing firstly this, then this, then this. Okay, now what if you are doing firstly this operation, then this operation, and then this operation. Now again value you are decreasing from this element will be 2 only. Okay, value you are decreasing from this element will be 1 only, and from this element will be 3 only. Okay, so from this you can see that order of operation doesn't matter. One thing. Now second observation is when you can make all the elements from any prefix or suffix 0. Obviously if you have something like this, okay, if you have something like this, ये तुम्हारे एलिमेंट्स हैं. अगर तुम्हारे एलिमेंट्स ऐसे हैं कुछ, तो तुम क्या करोगे, फर्स्टली इसको बस यहां तक लेके आओगे, देन इन दोनों एलिमेंट्स को मिला के तुम इन तीनों एलिमेंट्स को सेम फ्लोर में ले आओगे. ओके, देन ये तीनों जब बराबर हो जाएंगे, यू विल टू take all these 4 elements and make equal, and then you will take this subarray. Okay, fine. Second case can be again this. This is same as first one. Okay, now but let me tell you, now in this case what you can do, you can perform same operation from back side. Okay, you will firstly decrease this element up to this element. Okay, then you have 2 elements at same level, then you will decrease these 2 elements up to this level, then you have same thing. Okay, then you will do same for other elements. Okay, so these two are the cases when you can make all the elements flat. Okay, now you have to only check that firstly you will perform all the operations either from prefix or either from suffix. Okay, firstly perform all the operations, after that there is chance of performing, let's say तुमने क्या किए, सारे प्रीफिक्स के ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कर दिए. ओके, सारे प्रीफिक्स के ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कर दिए, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, you have something like this, all the elements are in this order. Okay, अगर सारे elements इस order में हैं and obviously when all the elements of from prefix are performed you have only suffix operations. Okay, अगर सारे elements इस order में हैं, okay, like sorted order में, then only your answer will be yes. Okay, otherwise your answer will be no. Okay, second thing is if you performed all the operations from suffix. Okay, like you performed all the operations from suffix and then you have some order like this, reverse sorted order. Okay, you can say sorted and decreasing order, all the elements, then only your answer will be yes. And if still you have something like this, like some elements are increasing or decreasing, or you have something like this, and obviously in this you have already performed all the operations from suffix, so you have no more suffix operations left. So from prefix operations you can't make this 0. Okay, so that's why your answer will be no. Now these are some main observations. So firstly we will perform all the, I have performed all the suffix prefix operations first, then I have simply checked that prefix operation perform करने के बाद जब हमारे पास only suffix operations बचते हैं तो हमारी जो array है वो इस तरह की है कि नहीं. ओके, like sorted है कि नहीं, अगर है then I printed yes, otherwise I printed no. Now how can we check array sorted? We can always store their differences. Okay, like इसका डिफरेंस क्या करते हैं, इसका डिफरेंस जो है ये हमारी फ्लैट सरफेस है. ओके, ये हमारी जीरो सरफेस है, तो इसका डिफरेंस कितना हो जाएगा, लेट्स से दिस विल बी, लेट्स से दिस इज 1, दिस इज 2, दिस इज 3 एंड दिस इज 4. सो माय डिफरेंस एरे विल बी, सॉरी 1 1 1 1, इसका डिफरेंस, इसका डिफरेंस, इसका. If all the differences are positive, okay, then my answer will be yes, obviously, because positive means positive heap. Okay, so let me show you the code and you will simply get that. Okay, in S I will store simply difference. Okay, and in AI I will store elements. So I have stored elements from index 1. Okay, ताकि जो index 0 है वो हमारा क्या होगा, फ्लैट सरफेस होगा. ग्राउंड होगा. ओके, देन टेक एन इनपुट ऑफ AI and then stored all the differences in S of I, which will be AI minus 1. Okay, now I have first element in max C. Okay, in max I have first element, which is this element. Okay, in max I have, let's say you have something like this, you have some array like this, and in max I have this value. Okay, let's say this value is 3. In max I have this value 3 minus 0. Now what I will do is what I will do here in this loop is I will check whenever some S of I is negative, okay, and max of S of I and 0 is positive or equals to 0. Okay, let me show you here. Whenever I will get some like something like this, whenever I will get this, I can make this flat, I can make this flat using this value. How? Let me show you the code only and you will get from there. Okay, what I am making is max of I plus is equals to S of I, and S of I is equals to 0. S of I is equals to 0 means now that difference is 0. Okay, and second thing, max is also updated, so I am simply making this after one operation like this. Let's say this will be 1 and this will also be 1. Okay, and now rest of the hills will be there only. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, हमारा मैक्सी भी अपडेट हो गया. ओके, मैक्स आई भी अपडेट हो गया एंड जो डिफरेंस था वो भी 0 हो गया. ओके, इसी तरह हम क्या करेंगे, जहां जहां हमें लोअर हिल्स मिलते जाएंगे उनको हम क्या करते जाएंगे, अपने लेवल पे लाते जाएंगे. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट इफ वी गेट like we have performed all the prefix operations, and after that if we get something like this, okay, after performing all the suffix operations, okay, here I have taken one flag and checked for checked for suffix operations. Okay, if S of I is greater than 0 everywhere and तो हमारा क्या रहेगा, फ्लैग 1 रहेगा. अगर कहीं पर भी S of I लेस देन 0 होता है इन सफिक्स, अगर S of I लेस देन 0 हुआ इन सफिक्स, S of I लेस देन 0 होने का मतलब ऐसा है, और तुम्हें सफिक्स में क्या करना है, इसको वो करना है, तो तुम उसको नहीं कर सकते. ओके, सो मेन थिंग आई एम चेकिंग हियर, अगर कहीं पर भी है तो मेरा फ्लैग क्या होगा, फॉल्स हो जाएगा. सो एंड में इफ फ्लैग इज येस then obviously answer will be yes, else may no. If you have any doubt you can always ask in comment section, and in Telegram also. If you like this video, press the thumbs up button and subscribe this channel. Thank you guys for watching.